Hi, boys and girls. Good morning. It is Friday. It's Friday. And I know that you're ready for your phonics. So, do you have your wiggles out for about a few minutes so I can get started with my phonics, right? And I'm going to share my screen right now so we can go over the long vowel and the short vowel sound for the O. And I know you know this already, but we're going to just review this so we can be super duper smart. All right? So today is Friday, like I said, and we're going to review the long and short vowel O sound. So when you see these words, you're going to mark them with me on your whiteboard. So if you have your whiteboard, good. If you don't, you can go grab that really quick. You need your whiteboard marker too. Don't forget that. You don't have to mark all of the, or write these words, all of them and mark them. But if you want to just mark maybe 5 or 6 of them, that will be fine, all right? Remember, you can always just pause the video and go back. If you want to write them all, that will be fine too. All right, here we go. We're going to go first through the first row, the top row. So we're going to go over the Q-U-O-T-E. And remember, when there is a U with the Q, right? That means that you do not mark the U, boys and girls. You pretend it's not there, and you look at how many vowels there are after the U, okay? So for example, this word is quote. You do not mark the U, right? Because the Q and the U are stuck like glue. Remember that? So don't mark the U, and then there are how many vowels after that? 2. So then now you mark the O and then the E, and the word says quote, quote. The next one is vote, vote. See that? And then it's robe, robe, right? So you're marking along, hope. When there are 2 vowels in the word, the first one says the long sound and the second one is shh, silent, right? Good job. Now let's go to the second row. The word here is, let's see over here, it is note, note, note. Here we go. And I can hear some of you probably reading through this so fast, right? Because now you are done with Kinder A and you know how to read those words so quickly. Great job. Here we go. Road and bone and Coke. There we go. You got it? So that last E is silent. You cross it off, right, boys and girls? Now let's go to the third row. Home and joke. See that? And then mole and pole. So all of those words have that magic E at the end. So that means that the first vowel is gonna take the long sound. And they just happen to be all O's because that's what we are reviewing today. So now let's go. Hey, what happened here? They try to trick you. These are all the short vowel sound because they only have one vowel. So they are marked with the smiley face, smiley face, smiley face, and smiley face. The first word says boss. Remember, even if there's 2 of the same consonants, you only say it one time. Boss, not boss, right? You know that. The next word is cod, bob, and God. Got it? All right, so rows 1, 2, and 3, all long vowel O sounds, and row 4, short vowel sound. Okay, you're following me so far? Again, you can always pause the video. Let's read the next 3 sentences. Ready? It says, Tip had a big bone. Okay, there you go. Tip had a big bone. What do you think Tip is? Do you think he's a rat? Do you think he's a dog? Probably a dog, right? Because dogs love bones. And his name is Tip. Yes. Now let's go to the next sentence. He dug a deep hole. Oh, that little rascal Tip, he dug a deep hole. Wow, he was naughty, right? Now let's go to the next sentence. Can Bob see the bone? Now, boys and girls, remember, whenever you see a sentence, remember that it always begins with a capital letter and it always ends with a punctuation. What kind of punctuation? Well, it could be a period, it could be a question mark, or it could be an exclamation point. So be careful about that. When you are reading, always make sure that you finish the sentence depending on what punctuation is at the end. Like this one, can Bob see the bone? You see how, did you hear how my voice went up? Because it is a question mark at the end of that sentence. Okay? All righty. Now, let's go ahead and look at this one. This is a cute little poem. Remember, a poem sometimes have words that rhyme, and sometimes they do not have words that rhyme. This one does. Let's see. Let's mark them and read it and see which words are the rhyming words. Which words sound the same? Here we go. Do is a sight word. You is a sight word. Do you know which? Do you know which man made the ark? Oh, R and star AR. Let's go ahead and take a look at what that sentence looks like more closely. Do you is sight words, right? The is a sight word. And then look, the word know, N in not KN, and then O in bowl, OW. Which man made the ark? So there are a few special sounds, right? Did you spy them? There are a few sight words, and there are a few vowels that you're just marking them, short vowel or long vowel, all right? Remember, when there's one vowel in the word, it usually says the short vowel sound, and you mark it with a smiley face. When there are two vowels in the word, right? The first one says the talking with a long sound, right? And the second one is silent. There we go. So let's go on. It says, I caught, ought, in, caught, A-U-G-H-T. So here's a special sound, this long one, A-U-G-H-T, right? Caught. I caught the fast ball. All in, ball, A-L-L. I caught the fastball. The word fast has a st in stop, S-T special sound. Did you catch that? I know you did. All righty. We will enjoy. Oh, look at the word enjoy. That is a word that has a prefix N in enjoy, E-N. So you're going to circle E-N and circle oi in boy, O-Y. Don't forget to mark the I in the word will. I will enjoy the ride to the store. The shore, excuse me. So look, the shore, or in morning, O-R, right? Or you can do this one. You can do the cross off the magic E, whatever you would like, okay? So it says, we will enjoy the ride to the shore. A wise, wise, the S is pretending to be a Z. Wise means really bright, right? Because you've lived so many years, you are wise, like an owl, they say, right? So a wise boy can do hard, R in star AR, and do is a sight word, and so is Don't forget to mark a in the word can. A wise boy can do a hard job and do it well. So you have short vowel sounds and you have that sight word do, okay? Paul, Paul is capitalized because it's a name and because it starts the sentence. Always start capital letter, right? Always starts a sentence. Paul, you have the AU, right? That's in faucet, AU, right? Faucet. Paul was near, ear in ear, EAR, the fence. Oh, look, in city, C. So this word here, fence, it's a S sound because you have an E that's following it. You see? So that word says fence. Paul was near the fence when, what in whale, WH, when he hurt. E and me, E, and hurt, in nurse, UR, when he hurt his, remember that his Z is, that S is pretending to be a Z, his, short vowel I sound, wrist. Remember, in wrinkle, WR, wrist. Ist, in stop, ST. So if you look at all these red markings, right, on all of these words, boys and girls, you know all of that. You know it, right? I just do it a little bit faster because I've been doing this for a long time. But I know that you have learned so much throughout kindergarten that if you write those words on your whiteboard or you just practice, you got it. Okay, boys and girls, I know that you are really wise like an owl, and I am super proud of you all. Okay, so it's Friday, and you get to just rest and have a great, wonderful, super weekend. All right, miss you, and we will see each other soon, okay? All right, bye. Love you.